Hello once again, folks. It's Paul, your online offline mailman, and we're going to be discussing postcard marketing. Postcard marketing. I'm coming to you from the Big Apple, New York City. Third world countries still coming here. Immigrants still coming here to what? To work a 9 to 5 alongside a lot of Americans. Well, guess what, folks? This is freedom. This is the United States of America, and entrepreneurs work very little hours. It's not 9 to 5 anymore. COVID more than any time in history. The stats today are 1,700 million people still per day are becoming millionaires in the United States of America. How are we doing that? We're doing that working for ourselves. People go online and they try to find a way to make money online. Little do they know all the scams, shiny object syndrome. Folks, are you still struggling to make money online? Well, join over 90% of people who try to start an online business fail and jump from program to program. I know you can resonate with what I'm saying. I've been there. I got the t-shirt, the Bic lighter, the baseball cap. I've been there. Year after year after year. Have I made money? Of course I have. But not like the big gurus say. You have to have a big email list. You have to have all this other stuff going on. And then they tell you you can buy their course for $2,000 and in 24 hours press 3 clicks. Click 3 clicks and you'll become rich. Folks, I'm here to tell you, there's no get rich quick. But I have good news for you today. Mailing postcards. Are you struggling? Are you still struggling to make money online? Are you sick and tired of spending thousands of dollars? Are you tired of your wives, your husbands coming at you and saying, when's it going to stop? We can't afford this anymore. I thought we were going to be rich because you believe what the gurus told you. Come with us offline with postcards, folks. Can you mail 10, 20 postcards, flyers per day, 6 days a week? I'm a Christian. We rest on the 7th day. Work 6 days, folks, and rest on the 7th. Mailing postcards. And within a matter of a week, 2 weeks, your mailbox will become your cash box. Yes. Listen, this program costs $500 to start. If you go to scroll to the bottom of the page, you're going to click Get Started. And congratulations on your decision to join the $500 club. You can send the 500 Cash App or priority mail. And by the way, folks, when you join, you'll get the same exact 2-page website. And when people sign up, that's right, it goes right to your address, right to your Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, whatever preference you may have for transferring money or accepting money. My name is Paul Barletta. Here's my address, 4C Whiting Lane, Whiting, New Jersey, 08759. Here's my phone number, folks. Yes, you can call me, 862-658-2086. I will answer the phone, answer any questions you might have. And we are building the dream team in the $500 club. It's just officially launched just a few weeks ago, and it's a good time to get in. We have a lot of bonuses for you. We'll teach you video marketing, Craigslist, ways to get started, mailing postcards, 20, 30, 40 postcards a day. It's just that easy, folks. It's just that easy. For those of you who cannot afford it, this is what I'll do for you, and I can do this. It's $500 to start. I will take for those 20 people starting today. 20 people starting today. The first 20 people, you can come in at $200. That's $300 off. People are telling me, Paul, I know I could do this, but I just don't have the $500. There's a recession going on. Times are tough. The food is raising. The eggs, a dozen eggs, $6, $7. I know what's going on, folks. I understand. $200. The first 20 people. If you want to give me a call, 862-658-2086. You can give me a call. I'll answer any questions you might have. I will be your mentor, your coach. You can click the link in the description, Semetics.com, Semetics.com. It'll take you right to this website. You can get started for $200, not $500, for those of you first 20 people. All right, let's get it a go. Let's hit the ground running, and let's get started today. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.